Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sign out of HBO Max on your TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply turn on your TV and get signed in into your HBO Max. So once you do this, all you need to do is simply scroll down and tap on the settings option on the bottom left hand side of the corner by the help of remote. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So with the help of remote, you need to simply come down and tap on the sign out option on the bottom of the screen. So once you tap on the sign out option, you need to now confirm your action that you really want to sign out or not. So once you tap on yes, sign out, you will be able to successfully be signed out or logged out from your HBO Max on your TV. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.